In this tutorial, I will show you how to extend or stretch the background of an image in Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. Click Create a Design and choose Custom Size to start a new project. Set the canvas size to 100 by 50 pixels and create the design. This size is just for demonstration, but you can choose any size depending on your project. Next, upload the image you want to work with. Go to the Upload section, upload your photo and place it on the canvas. Click on the image to select it, then click Edit Photo from the toolbar above the canvas. This will open the editing panel. In the editing options, look for Magic Expand inside the Magic Studio tools. Select Magic Expand and choose the option to expand the image to the whole page. Canva will automatically extend the background using artificial intelligence, filling the empty areas of the canvas and blending the edges of the image. Wait a few seconds while Canva generates the extended background. Once it finishes, your image will stretch naturally to cover the entire canvas. If needed, try different variations until the result looks good for your design. Finally, click Share and then download to save your design. That is how you extend or stretch a background in Canva.